Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Aulia, and now I will explain material about Deixis. Deixis is a technical term from Greek for one of the most basic things we do with the utterance, which mean pointing via language. And here I want to discuss about the dexic expression and the second lexical. Context, they are among the first words acquired by the children. In order to be interpreted correctly, the speaker and listener have to share the same context, and they are particularly useful in face-to-face communication. For the lexical, there have 5 types of lexical. The first person Deixis refer to the people, and the subject I, we, she, he, and it, and object me, you, him, and them. And the second spatial Deixis refer to the place or location. Conclude the demonstration pronoun is the this and that, and distal here and there. And the third temporal Deixis refer to the time. And now done tonight, last week, and yesterday. And the last social Deixis. Honorifics from the soul response. A speech event that concludes at last directly involves, not directly involves, person mentioned. For example, I'm going to have a dinner, and would you like to have a dinner? I in here as a subject and you in here object. This grammatical category for a person, personal pronoun or language have a personal pronouns or at last word that refer to the participant of the speech age. The pronoun of the first is I, my, and mine, and the second person you, your, and yours. Reference to the speaking person it is also possible to have clarity pronoun for the third person. Definite and specific pronoun is this, that, those, and this. Definite and specific pronouns somebody, something, who, and what. And indefinite and non-specific pronoun someone, something, nobody, and spatial Deixis consider the location referred to shared points in the speech event, speaker, or center. The basic ways of referring to object by describing or namely then and by location them. Location can be specific relating to other objects. For example, the station is 200 years from the college. And location can be specific related to the location of participant. For example, it's 200 years away. Some pure place detected words here and there is an adverb, and this and that demonstration pronoun. And symbol use of here are pragmatically given unit and space that concludes the location of the speakers. For example, I'm writing to say I'm having a marvelous time here. Adverb in here and there construct on proximal or distal dimension. Here, this means the proximal, there in distal. Distal more distant. Bring that here and take this there. Demonstrative pronouns are more correctly organized and proximal distal dimension. It means that the object in pragmatically given area close the speaker's location, and that is mean the object beyond the pragmatically given are close to the speaker's location. And some languages have demonstrative with a 3 and 4 way distinction of the proximal distant dimension. Northwest the American language sheet demonstrative distinction between this on right here, this honorably, that one over there, that one way over there, direction to the left from, to the right from. Yes. Mention verb signs of the place days, comes first go makes distance between the direction of mention. He is coming. It means that he is moving towards the speaker's location. He is going. He is moving away from the speaker's location. I am coming, the speaker is moving towards the location of the address. Come in here, movement towards either location of the speakers or towards the location of the address. And the third, temporal deixis, concern itself with the various times involved and refer to the utterance used to indicate time. For the temporal times is the first proximal form. For example, now we have a joystick to play the game. And distal form, example, I was in the Scotland then, I will see you there. Social deixis refer to social status or to show respect. For example, I deeply respect you for what you have said. I discuss. Thank you so much, and I hope this video is useful for us, and thank you for watching and see you, goodbye.